Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Cam Ranh, Vietnam, staying at the beautiful ALMA Resort. I cannot wait to give you a peek at this luxury property. Oh, hi! So this resort has a lot of really great things for families. Aside from the really spacious units that would be so great for a family, there's a number of things that they have on this resort specifically for children. First, there's this kids club, and you can drop your children off here during the day and they can participate in lots of different activities. There's free options as well as some paid options if you want to give them a little bit more of an immersive experience. But there's also some really great amenities around the resort, like a small playground and water park, kind of like a splash pad for younger kids. And I love that there's lounge chairs around there for the parents. Plus, you guys, there is a whole water park right here on the property. There's multiple water slides and a lazy river, and there's also a huge splash area for kids to run around and just get soaking wet. Plus they have a whole wave pool. And all of this is included in the cost of your accommodations here at ALMA Resort. They also have amenities like a mini golf course, a basketball court, tennis, and even archery. And on certain nights of the week from 4 to 5, you can go down to the beach and fly a kite with your family. And last night we were down there and saw a handful of people flying kites, and it was just such a fun thing. So during our stay, we went to the spa. I had a few treatments at the spa, and then my husband came a little later on and he had a massage while I was getting a facial, and it was just a lovely experience. But did you know they also have a kids menu at the spa? So if you want to come and have a spa day with your spouse and hang out and get all the royal treatment, you could also get your kids in at the same time, and so they can have their own spa treatment while you have yours. One of the things we really loved about our time here was when you arrive, they encourage you to download the ALMA app. And this gives you access to all of the restaurants, menus, a resort map, all of the extracurricular activities that are going on. The app is super helpful, and it puts all the information that you need to know right at your fingertips. We noticed that they have a lot of different events throughout the week for kids. There was cupcake decorating and a build your own pizza class at the Italian restaurant on the resort. Truly, if you have young kids and you're a younger family, this would be a prime resort to spend some time at. You get the experience of staying at a 5-star luxury resort while also having great amenities for your kids. So guys, what do you think of this property so far? Comment below and tell me your favorite feature. And if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. My family is currently on an adventure not knowing where it's gonna lead us. If you're curious about that, I will link the video below, but we quit our jobs sold our home, packed everything that we own into a storage unit, and we're on the other side of the world until we figure out what's next. So if you're interested in following along our journey, tap subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified every time there's a new video. When it comes to dining, there are multiple options on site for you and for your family, starting with an incredible breakfast buffet that features tons of foods from all over the place. You have such a great selection. There's bound to be something that everyone will love. For lunch, we loved visiting the food court. There's so many options there, from a French bakery to a New York burger joint, Asian food, and of course espresso and cappuccino and all of the delicious caffeinated beverages that you would love. We also really loved ordering some lunch at the pool. So there is a pool bar right near one of the pools that's open right now, and they have a lunch menu available to them. So we would order food right at the pool, have it delivered to us. It was amazing. For dinner, there's an amazing seafood restaurant right next to the ocean. We went there and ordered steak and it was delicious. There's also the ALMA Lounge, and it's open for lunch and dinner. There's an American bar that offers burgers and chicken fingers and things like that. But our favorite was La Casa, the Italian restaurant on site that features authentic Italian meals. It was so fantastic. We went there for my birthday dinner, as well as a couple other times, and we loved it. If you are looking for a 5-star luxury vacation that is great for families, ALMA Resort in Cam Ranh, Vietnam should definitely be on your list of properties to check out. Getting here from North America can be quite pricey. However, once you're here, the dollar goes a really long way. He's getting footage so I can make some reels. It's so beautiful here. I want to thank ALMA Resort for sponsoring this video. My husband and I booked a week here and we got upgraded to this beautiful pool pavilion right in front of the ocean. It really gave us an idea of the types of accommodations available at different price points, and we truly loved our stay. In fact, we loved it so much we've already booked a trip back here with our daughters. They're going to come back with us next month. We'll be here for Isabella's 17th birthday, and we're looking forward to taking in this view again.